Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll talk about the battery draining details about the iQOO 7 device. So this is a request which has been asked by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So few of the users, they did report me that they are facing battery draining issues in the iQOO 7 device after the recent update as well. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting. So not only from these two subscribers, even I did receive a couple of other subscribers as well. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, are you facing this kind of battery draining issues in the iQOO 7 device or not? So usually there will be three different categories, one with a normal usage, medium usage and with the heavy usage. With the heavy usage, you can actually play the game Battlegrounds Mobile continuously for 6 hours in this iQOO 7 device, which I did do multiple time testing. So with the medium kind of usage, if you try to use a 4G data non-stop, maybe close to 80% of the time, and if you try to maintain this kind of level, so you may get the screen on time about close to maybe 5 to 6 hours of time screen on time you can definitely expect in this iQOO 7 device. With the normal usage, you can definitely get the 2 days of standby time with the iQOO 7 device in my experience, which I did see this happen. So let me in the comment section below what is your usage type and how much screen on time you're getting exactly in your iQOO 7 device at this point. Even right now I was able to get 4 hours and 20 minutes of screen on time at this point with the 17% of the battery left in the iQOO 7 device, as you can see. So this is after the recent software update, which is 1.7.12 update, as you can see friends exactly. So before the software update, I used to get kind of close to maybe 6 hours and sometimes 5.5 hours and 6.5 hours as well screen on time in the iQOO 7 device. But after the software update, few of the users are actually facing this kind of issues, and very soon I'll try to do the battery draining test in the iQOO 7 device as well, playing the Battlegrounds Mobile non-stop from 100 to 0%. So maybe tomorrow if you're requested. So let me know in the comment section below if you want that video or not. But meanwhile, please try to comment under this video if you're using the iQOO 7 device, and if you have the latest version, let me know in the comment section below. So do you face any kind of battery draining issues in this device or not? So in my experience, I can definitely say little bit got battery draining, little bit, not much, just a little bit decreased in the iQOO 7 device, not a major thing. But let me know in the comment section below, friends, what is happening with your device. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. I just thought of making a video and asking you guys who are using the iQOO 7 device, which might be helpful for other users as well. So we can actually cross check what is happening with the iQOO 7 device. So how many users are actually facing these issues, battery draining issues after the recent update. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below what are other problems you're facing in the iQOO 7 device. That is what my point is. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.